Hey guys, welcome to the video. In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to set up remote access through Google Remote Desktop. So the first thing you're going to do is go to this website that I have here. It'll be in the description below. And then you're going to click on this download button, and I'll show you both on the phone side and the computer side. Go ahead and click the download, say keep if you're on Google Chrome. You're going to open up this file. They're just downloaded. You're going to say yes to the prompt that comes up. You're going to hit accept and install. Allow Chrome Remote Desktop to open. You're going to say yes. You want to enter your computer name for something that you'll recognize. So I'm going to recognize this, so I'm just going to keep it. So say yes. Automatically close application, attempt to restart them after setup is complete. Just go ahead and say OK. Then you're going to click next on this choose a name, unless you want to put in a new name, in which case go ahead. Then you're going to create a PIN number that's at least 6 digits, and this is what you'll be entering on your phone in order to connect to your computer, so make sure that it's something that you'll remember. And then you're going to go ahead and click start. And then you're going to click yes on the prompt that comes up. So it's going to start remote desktop from your PC. And then we're going to go to the phone, and I'll show you guys from there. All right, it is now online right here. So that's what we were looking for. So follow with me to my phone. So guys, once you're on your phone, you're going to go ahead and go to the Play Store. And you're going to search for Chrome Remote Desktop. And you're going to go ahead and install it. And open it up. You can pick your Gmail account you want to be connected to by hitting the 3 dots and making sure you go to the account that you set it up with on your computer. And then your computer will already be ready, and it'll be blue. The blue just means that you're ready to connect. So once you click it, you enter that PIN we were talking about. So now guys, I'm connected to my desktop. And if I move around on my phone, it moves the mouse on my desktop. I can click things and do anything I would want to do on my desktop from my phone. So just swiping on your phone screen acts as the mouse, like on a laptop. You can do anything. So if you have to access your computer from your phone at any time, you can do it. And guys, if you swipe down from your phone screen, you can get access to the keyboard. And type in whatever you want. You can get access to anything else that you would have on your computer. So if you need to type something, and this will let you use both displays, anything you want to use from your computer. All right, thank you for watching. If you liked the video, please hit like. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. And I'll see you guys on the next video.